Hello everyone! Hello! Say hello to London, we're having a costume party! Yeah! Aish! Geisha!
Orgo!
Arigato! Scary Hello Kitty! Carrot! As you can see, like her baby. And Mary is a dog. Do the hand thing, Much better. Sadly, I don't want to say. It's a bit evil. And Ate is gonna get the same. Ate Isi's gonna get the same. So see in a minute how it looks. She's gonna be the geeky version.
We have short ones.
Okay. And me?
The ones on the other side.
I'm beautiful. I'm Kung Fu Panda's girlfriend.
His name is Po.
Because I'm hot.
His name is Po.
Po.
So that means you're Pa.
Yeah, I'm Pa.
Hi Pa.
Hi Pa. Hi Pa. Let's see what's going on in the toilets. Whole load of people trying to get. Oh wow! What is
I just wanted the little one here.
What? Oh, the ladybug, yeah. And Jenny is gonna be a doggy.
A monkey! Look,
oh, a monkey. Sorry.
Oh my gosh! Doesn't look like a monkey.
Not yet. It's not finished yet. And
Dog.
Sam is gonna look like. What's Sam supposed to be?
Tiger.
Tiger.
Overturned.
Okay.
But my favorite is Aishi's one because she looks pretty. Look at the hair at the back. Let me see. Yeah, nice.
Tumutulo na ang makeup mo, ge.
Galing ni Marco, seryoso talaga oh.
Yes.
And later on, Mark's gonna be a palm tree.
And what?
Because of these. That hair, yeah? Going to be palm tree. This is me. Can you see? Oh, let's see. Okay, that's it for now. See you when everyone's finished.